What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. Today we got a video uploaded by Daily Dose of Internet. This one, I had to make sure I said the name right. I was like, is it Dose of Internet or Daily Dose of Internet? Daily Dose of Internet. Anyways, this one is called Whale Tries to Slap Driver. The thumbnail looked crazy, so we're gonna check this out. Anyways, y'all let me know down below in the comments. How was your day? Hopefully it was pretty good, but if it wasn't, hopefully this message just a little bit better. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Daily Dose of Internet. Ooh.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This person got a little too close to a whale and almost got slapped.
Have I ever seen a whale before? In, like, oh, whoa, there's some big creatures. That kid should play football, first of all. Tackle like that, you should play football, my guy. You're in the wrong class.
When I was born, my mom bought...
Let's watch this in slow-mo. I want to see, like, where it was that, like, they switched or cut at, because that was perfect. That was perfect. Hold on. All right. Right, okay, so it happened so quick. Wait a minute. Let's go. Right. Still human. Still human. I think. That's his head. I think it's at this point or slightly before they switched. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right. I was like, wait a minute, why is it still in slow-mo? And I didn't change it back to regular speed.
When I was born, my mom bought 2 copies of the same stuffed animal. This one she kept pristine in a cabinet, and the other one she let me play with.
A few days ago, a massive volcano in the Pacific Ocean exploded and could be seen from space.
That's actually pretty cool and scary. Like, the think about, like, the Earth is just oozing. I don't know if that makes sense.
Oh shit, you got corona.
Oh man, no I don't.
No.
Come on, man.
You do got corona.
One of my subscribers
Hold on. Vanish. Wow, he's gone.
One of my subscribers has a trebuchet in their backyard and wanted to share it with all of you.
Trebuchet. I forgot these. Whoa. You're gonna start a forest fire, man. I forget that these videos are submitted by subscribers. That's cool. Oh, that was clean.
Somehow got on a plane that was going from the USA to Europe.
That was clean. Well, that bird's got a free trip across the water. That's
a bunch
crazy.
of deer came over and started licking this cat.
Oh, I thought they were eating something dead. I was like, yo, wait a minute. I thought deers like ate fruits.
There were too many boys in the boys'
vegetables.
bathroom, so the police had to come and kick them out.
Hey, yo, hold on. This bathroom better be like the size of the gym. Otherwise, this is extremely sus. What school is this and what were they doing? Somebody fill me in down below. This is sus, bro. I'm not gonna... And why are they all like laughing and smiling too? Like, yo, this is, I don't know, man. It's a bunch of white kids too, so I don't know, man. This is weird. Wait a minute, was that a chick? Yo, they're all like coming out smiling. Oh my gosh, bro. I mean, who recorded? Not the one I'm watching, but the one that took place. Stop.
Give me a kiss. Thank you, baby.
All right. My boy's got Spider-Man reflex. What is it? Is that a filter? It must be.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
What's that? 2 for 1 special?
Hello, everyone. This is
Indeed.
your Daily
2
Dose
for
of
1
Internet.
special.
In case you didn't know, a shrimp has the ability to sneeze.
Did not know that.
A police officer told their dog
Monkey slapped him like he was like, hey, get in line. You know what I'm saying? Like he was just straighten him out. Like
to attack. A police officer told their dog to attack the suspect, but the dog was a little confused because they couldn't find anyone threatening.
Put your hands up back your head now. Right now. Fora, hey, Rocco, here. Hit. Rocco, no.
oh my gosh, this is embarrassing.
This is what happens when the
But look, okay, the dog didn't view him as a threat. He didn't, I guess, pick up on his threatening presence. Or he did, and he was scared of it. He was afraid of it. One of the two. Probably more likely the first one. Clearly, the guy may not have been a threat. One, why were you putting the dogs on him if the guy was literally sitting there complying, just like, chilling, just like, okay, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like, 2 officers are right there. And the guy's in the middle. And he's like, sick him, get him, whatever. And he's like, what was the point of even doing that at that point? The guy's just chilling. He hasn't dashed for it. I don't see any weapons. What was the point of even... You just embarrassed yourself, bro. Let's watch that again. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Hands are on the shoulder. He literally came... The guy is right in front of him. There's like 3 officers.
This is what happens when the biggest plane in the world flies through clouds.
Just handle him yourself. Whoa, that's... Yo, straight up just like disappeared, didn't it? Parted the clouds. Like Moses did the sea. Oh! He caught himself though for a second. Let it go for poops. Let it go for poops. Let it go. Let it go for it poops. Let it go for it poops.
These police officers got themselves some really cool new scooters.
Oh, he on the grass with it? Oh.
Yeah, that's actually
All
pretty cool.
terrain. You ain't gonna stop them. Oh, sir.
Officer down. Officer down. Ew. It was all black and gooey.
Hello.
That goat.
She wants to come in, Desson.
What?
A few years ago, an astronaut snuck a gorilla suit onto the International Space Station.
All right. Good job, man. This dude's like, what? Is that an... synchronized moving? I like that. It's pretty cool. Why is he walking? Is that a... Why is he walking like that? Is that on a trampoline or something?
Here's a video I found of giant tortoises moving at full speed.
This is hilarious. I'm not gonna lie.
The video is ending now. Goodbye.
Alright, anyways, man, that was a good video about Daily Dose of Internet, man. Yeah, very informative, as always. Always curious to see what's going on, taking place on the internet. That, indeed, was very, truly pleasant to watch and really relaxed me. So, thank you very much for that one. You all, let me know down below in the comments, man. What was your favorite clip? Probably... maybe the tortoise one. And then I feel like there's one more in particular. I was like... oh yeah, the one with all the dudes in the bathroom. It was funny, but it was sus. Y'all let me know down below in the comments of which one was yours. Make sure you also like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch, follow me on YouTube, and also follow me on Instagram at Leroy Says so. Same as YouTube channel. So send me such out to that being said, peace.